What's going on, guys? It's QuizyDog here, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at these guys right here. So these were sent over from a company called X-Sense, and these are wireless interconnected smoke alarms. Now, I know smoke detectors don't sound fancy and sexy, but they are important, and that's exactly why they're on this channel, because it's something that I feel is very important. And these actually do things pretty interestingly. They're pretty unique, and it's something that I wanted to talk to you guys about. So the main thing that you're gonna see when you look at the package here is, again, that terminology of interlinked or interconnected. Now, these are not smart devices per se, meaning there's no Wi-Fi, there's no application. These actually communicate with each other using RF frequencies. And the range is said to be, I think, around 50 meters or like 130 feet or something like that. And the whole premise is, this is a 3-pack. You can, of course, get them as add-on packages in singles, and you can get, like, I think a 6-pack as well. All the links will be in the video description below, by the way. But the purpose of these guys here are to have them kind of peppered in and around your home. That way, if you do have something that's causing a concern in a room that's very far away from you, with a traditional smoke detector, you might not be able to hear that smoke detector going off, giving you the early warning signs that there's something wrong. With these, they will communicate amongst each other, and when one goes off, as long as, of course, they're in range, they're all going to go off. So my house is about 2,000 square feet. A 3-pack is perfect for me, so that's what I chose to pick up. And without further ado, we're just going to get right in the package here. Now, one thing that is super awesome about these is just how small they are. So look at that. That is insanely tiny. So, of course, if you guys walk around your house right now, you probably, or at least I hope you do, have smoke detectors, and I can tell you that what you have in your home is much bigger than these guys here. Very low profile, very small, and very awesome. So these are powered in the back by included batteries. I'm trying to take a look. I don't recognize what this battery is. It's a 3-volt. It looks like a little baby stubby like C battery. So it does come included, which is awesome. And the battery life is said to be, I think, 5 years, which is absolutely crazy. But again, there's no Wi-Fi or anything. So really, the sensor that's in this is very, very low powered. So 5 years, I guess, makes sense. The lifespan of these before you have to change them out, I think, is 10 years, if I'm not mistaken. The manufacturer says that your 5 years should get you half of the total overall lifespan. So I would assuming doubling 5, we get 10. But super, super cool. I really like the look of this. I'm gonna show you guys again. We have a little test button here as well. And we're gonna test these. I absolutely hate the sound of smoke detectors. 1, it's loud, it should be. 2, it triggers bad memories of the potential of fires, which has happened in this house in the past. Little side note, make sure before you turn on baseboard heaters that your kids haven't stuffed toys in them, or else 3 fire trucks will show up at your house because you think you have a house fire. But other than the node itself, you do have the mounting plate itself. Really nothing fancy. That's just gonna go up on your wall. You have 2 little screw holes here. It's just gonna mount kind of like this. And then when you take the X-Sense smoke detector, it's just going to turn on here, just like so. So there's a couple little locking pins on the back, and that's just gonna keep it wherever you wanna put it, I suppose. Most traditionally, you're gonna mount it kind of like this, but you can mount it maybe sideways as well. Really, whatever you guys wanna do. Not a whole lot to go over in the package aside from that one, because they're all the same. You've got your mounting hardware with anchors, which I think is kind of nice when manufacturers think of like everything. You don't have to run out to the hardware store and buy extra pieces of equipment when you buy technology, kind of like Christmas morning when you get an RC car that you've loved and you wanted forever, and then you find out that you don't have any batteries and the store's closed on Christmas and you can't play with it. So Not sure you'd have the same experience with wall anchors, but they give them to you, so that's kind of cool. Of course, this being the 3-pack, really not a lot to go over as far as the uniqueness of all three, because they are all the same. Mounting hardware. You have your little warranty card. So thank you for purchasing our product. We provide a 5-year worry-free warranty from the date of purchase. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via, and they have their email address there. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. So little warranty card there. And then we have the user guide. Now, you know me, you know the channel. If you're not a stranger, you'll know I don't normally go through instructions or anything, but I do want to very quickly glance at this just to kind of see, mainly because like this stuff's a little bit more important than just like throw myself blindly into regular tech that really doesn't have any bearing on whether or not my house is still livable when it comes to fires or not. Okay, it shows you here to power the 2 smoke alarms, remove the battery, insulating film, so we know that. Press the test silence button on one of the 2 smoke alarms 4 times, and this alarm will beep once, and the red LED will flash continuously, indicating it has entered the interconnecting mode. After successfully creating an interlinked network, this alarm will beep once and automatically exit the interconnected mode. If you want to interconnect a 3rd smoke alarm, power it on and press the test silence button 4 times to interconnect to the previously interconnected smoke alarm. Up to 24 smoke alarms can be interconnected this way. So that's cool. Oh, I should also mention as well, the units that I bought, although I am actually going to check their site and probably do an order tonight, these are only smoke alarms. So these do not have your, is it carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide, I think. They don't have that feature in here. They do sell an all-in-one solution. They do sell them standalone. For now, as I'm testing them, I just went with the smoke detector just to kind of see what I'm getting into. Again, I know I mentioned it before, but I do have purchase links down below. These are on Amazon, but you can actually typically get a better price if you go right to the manufacturer's website. And if I can find any coupon codes or negotiate any of those for you guys, I'll have them linked down there below. So let's go ahead and let's pull, oh God, I hate doing this. We're gonna pull the battery insulating film on all of these guys. We're gonna take the backing off that one. So all 3 are pulled. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, that was loud. Holy shit. No, can't swear. Holy bananas. Okay, so that's now flashing red. Wow, that's shrill. Rip headphone users. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I do this one too? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's so loud. It needs to be, but like, wow, my ears are totally not prepared for that every time that happens. So they're now all blinking. I'm just gonna leave them there. And they're not really blinking fast or slow. I'm gonna kind of reread this in my head to see whether or not I'm doing anything right or wrong. So yada, 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 4 times, it beeps once, and the LED will continuously flash, so it's in interconnecting mode. After creating the interlinked network, the alarm will beep once and automatically exit. Okay, so so loud. Oh, okay, so this one connected. That one connected. Oh, this one's gonna beep too, isn't it? Maybe? Oh, it's scaring me. Okay, so they're all connected. So, I guess we test them? I don't want to, but I will. So I'm gonna put one over here, I'm gonna put one over here, and I should have, reach in my pocket, Try not to turn off my lavalier. Double checking that it's on, and it is. Okay. So, I've got an old receipt from, I was going to say groceries, but really there's just candy and Coca-Cola on here. Yum. Okay. I don't want to. Hello? Okay. Oh, hey. So, as I'm wondering why these aren't working, it says replace the device after 10 years. So it does say it right on the side. So that answers that. So why didn't that work? The test worked. Okay, it's working now. Are you done? Okay, so that was just the test. I hate that so much. Okay, so these are in pairing mode. Hide my face so you can see it. Oh, so that beep means that they're connected. So the last one is here. And this should just connect to the other ones because we've already made an interconnected network. I had like smoke in my nose. Yep, there it is. So that one's connected now. So we're gonna take this receipt again. Oh, Jesus. Real fire. Oh, I get so much ash on me. X-Sense. There's real fire in my house. Why aren't you working? Okay, so that one works. Oh my God, they're all going off. What do I do? How do I stop them? So this one, and this one. Okay, 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 okay. Don't test these like I did. I'm an idiot. My basement stinks right now. I don't even know what to do. I guess we're gonna end the video there. So these are the X-Sense interconnected smoke detectors. So very easy to set up. I love doing this stuff on the fly so you guys can experience it with me. I don't normally test the products if it's something simple like this. I like doing that on camera. Unbox it, pull the battery pin, press the test button 4 times, it starts your network, and then every other node after that, you can go ahead and do that. If you need more of these in your home, you can buy, again, another 3-pack, a 6-pack. These go up to 24 different devices. All you have to do on any new products that you get in your home, if you already have the infrastructure set up, it's as easy as tapping the button 4 times, and it's going to go ahead, it's going to connect, and you don't have to disrupt any of the other products. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, I guess. I'm gonna give my ears a break because I feel like I'm shouting at you guys. But if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like. My brain, it doesn't even work right now. What's my outro? As always, my name is Crazy Dog. You guys have been awesome, and we'll catch you all in my next video. Take care.